Hi friends, before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel Ignitor's blog and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get my latest video. Hello friends, this is Sudip. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ignitor's blog. दोस्तों मैं अपने लाइफ का एक अनफॉरगेटेबल मोमेंट आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। आप लोगों से बहुत ही जन जानते ही होंगे दीपक कमाची सर को, जो बहुत ही फेमस है अपनी इस बाइकिंग फैटर्निटी में। और जो लोग नहीं पहचानते हो तो होल्ड कीजिए और मेरे वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहिए और उन्हीं के मुख से सुन लीजिए उन्हीं का कुछ एक्सपीरियंस।
Yeah. Thank you. I have shared this here and I have seen this. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you everyone for coming here. It's indeed a special day for us. आप लोगों को बताएं कि तेलंगाना की हमारे पास so बस यार है fortunate enough sir is here and it's a great opportunity for us also to unveil two new models, Adventure 250 and New 125. So request you please. Yeah. Let's unveil the beauties. Yeah, sure.
21.
It's for about 51 days and I've clocked about 18,000 plus kilometers. And it's just not been about only the ride, but I've really stopped at places. Like I've taken a day off today, and this morning we went to the Victoria Memorial, then we went to the Hora Bridge, and we went by the Vishwa Bengal's New Town, yeah. So, like if I like a place and if there are good friends to hang out with, I just call it a day. It's happened like that in a couple of other places as well. But the most memorable ride has been my ride amidst the Northeast states, the Seven Sisters. So you guys are like hop, skip and jump, and you're amidst the Seven Sisters. So how many of you guys have actually been into that region? Sikkim, Arunachal, Sikkim. Anything beyond that? Yeah. So you've been to Goa. Are you? Yeah. Okay. So this is I always tell people, Siliguri is a gateway to the Northeast, and for you, Siliguri is just about 500 kilometers. Correct? 600 kilometers. Okay. All right. So I really encourage you people to travel to the Northeast. The roads are bad, but the flavor of adventure is good. But otherwise, if you have any questions for me, I'm happy to answer.
So, how the electronics of the humanity helping you in riding through the ice, the black ice?
So, I'm an old timer. For me, it's a little too much of electronics. But the reason the electronics are there is for the new generation to assist you in in managing this bike. Like your partnering ABS is fabulous. Like I've had about 3 close calls so far in 80,000 kilometers, and the close calls have been really close. Like I've almost stopped here, and the ABS has just stopped me from getting into an head-on, and it's not been my fault because what happens is most of the, and I'm sure it's not alienated to the city as well. You will agree with me that the yellowboard cabs are one of the most reckless and ruthless people on the road. And Uttarakhand has been one, and just as I entered, Siliguri was one, and just as I was exiting Assam has been my third stop. But of course, like it's a presence of mind and probably like the years of experience I bring on the bike that helps me to avoid a head-on crash. But it's definitely assisted by the ABS, the dual channel ABS that this bike got. But one thing I've really struggled has been the traction control. Particularly when it comes on to ice. I mean, I've had few patches of black ice, but the trick is to ride on fresh ice. If it is black ice, then see, I always define the adventure as there's a fine line between adventure and insanity. So we should never try to go below that line and try to do something what we shouldn't be doing. You know, and one thing I must tell you that do not travel for social media. Do not travel for your YouTube channel. You know, encourage people as a medium to travel for. You know, you tell your stories. You know, don't do some stupid things as pushing the bike on ice and taking a picture and blowing it apart on the social media platform. I see people doing it, so hence I'm voicing this out because you guys are very young. You know, I've got about 3 decades of travel behind me, and I'm not really old, but for me, age is just a number when people ask me. But coming to the traction control issues, yes, I may be wrong again. As I said, I'm an old timer. The traction control refuses to go off in certain times because it overrules my knowledge. It says, no, the road is slippery, I'm not going to go off. But then I really need to struggle and switch off the traction control. And by chance, if the motorcycle gets off, no matter how experienced I am, sometimes I do fumble with the clutch and the motorcycle goes off. And when switched on, traction control is on again. And there's definitely no way that I can, or at least I cannot ride with the traction control on ice or even slush or that. So yes, that's a feedback that I've been voicing it out, and I will be giving a written feedback about the whole package of the bike as such that I wind up my ride on the videos. But otherwise, I think for me, I've not found the traction control of any use, but for a newbie and people really getting on to the first flavor of adventure, I think it's a great tool. It's a great mechanism that the company has developed. They would have really thought and put a lot of R&D in place before they released that machine. So I'm definitely wrong when I say that copies of use in one way or the other, it might have definitely helped me in my 80,000 kilometer run. Yeah. And trust me, guys, the throttle, the rider wire is a phenomenal piece of equipment that this machine is got. And what else? I mean, I've really been enjoying the riding stance is good. I'm 5'11", so I've not dropped the bike, but I met with a crash due to somebody's negligence of keeping some sand on the road, in the middle of the road, and it's absolutely big fall. I just overlooked looking at it, and I just went and it was a loss. So again, it's just not about your ride; it's about the riding gear that you wear. I encourage people to invest. It's like your second skin. You should do not compromise on the quality for cheap stuff. Invest it really good. You don't have to buy today. You don't have to buy tomorrow. You can try and save on money and try and invest something really nice, really good. Particularly the helmets, shoes, because these are things that should something go wrong on your road. Trust me, guys. These are the things that's going to really break it down. And the essence is, like on a travel, you don't break down. You should not break down. That's the way I do them myself. So invest in good riding gear. I'll not take brands, but there are thousands of brands available in the market. Do a thorough research. Do not go by the social media guys saying that you use this, use that. No, satisfy yourself because that if it takes your pocket and it's okay. Yeah. Any more questions? Feel free. Let's go ahead and which is this one? Yeah, both of them. Anywhere you want. This is what? This is both of them are feel करके देखें कि कौन सा कलर है. आइए ना. Come. You camouflage with the orange jacket and Okay, how many of you are very keen to see how this bike looks like? Do you know what difference it is between the 390 and the 290, 250?
The engine and the electronics mainly.
There you go. All right. Here's it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Good. There's no traction control on this. I'm happy.
My favorite question is that what would be your top 5 suggestions or tips for a beginner rider? person who's just looking out to go on the road and experience the whole of
Okay, so first thing is one. I'm sure as a beginner, usually I don't want to generalize this, but it would be a person who would be in a job. Right? I mean, there are instances where people have become a motorcycle at the age of 60 plus. So I will avoid that segment because that's your passion and it's totally an external part. But generally, I've seen people wanting to get two-wheeler as a medium of travel are usually in a job. Hold on to your job. It's very important. Riding and traveling and every part of your passion is secondary. You know, it's the primary responsibility of being hold on to a good job. Family, very important. Listen to your family. These are two things that one should never overlook when you try to do your passion. Then comes your weekend rides. Now, unfortunately, when I updated my website, the earlier blogs got overwritten. So I had prepared a blog which is Leave and the Art of Motorcycle. 2015, when my wife will be riding Italy. I traveled almost every other weekend. I was in some part of the world, some part of this country. And as working for a financial institution, I used to get annually to be called. And I used to come to the lobbies. I used to be nice with the manager. I used to get additional hours of work and request to give me one additional week. So instead of 2 weeks, I used to get 3 weeks off. And you know, like I used to travel 10,000 kilometers. Now, what I did very here is plan your weekends in such a way that it leads you to a different place every time. You know, for a new guy, concentration on your work, if it's a 5-day work, great, and it's a 6-day work, it's still good. You still have a Sunday to yourself. Instead of hanging out with like friends who have more work than me and a chai shop and like drinking tea and and later it turns out to be like going on pets and whatnot. Discipline is a way forward. I mean, I've had, thankfully, in my age, my growing up years, I've had the exposure of NCC, the National Cadet Corps.
I was an armed
Okay, I was a senior cadet officer and I got an opportunity to march to Armstrong on the 26th of January 1988. So for me, NCC has really transformed my outlook towards discipline, commitment, dedication, and even a habit motivating attitude, of course, as well. So these are things I believe, today's generation, when they are going through the schooling, is lost. I don't know how mandatory is NCC, or if they have an outlook towards NCC, because the schooling curriculum is so much of pressure, they cannot afford to deviate on to extracurricular activities. So it's a loss that these children of today's years are going. But then, so for everyone, always choose a bike that suits you. Just because your friends are riding a big bike or a whatever bike, not necessarily that you go to the same brand, go to the same thing, the budgets are different. These things you will not enjoy because you are following on somebody's steps. Like he may have bought the bike for his enjoyment or like whatever he wants to do. I know so many people who have bought big jazz machines and they just go to a coffee and just want to do. For me, I'm from Bangalore. For me, my very first friend is Ooty, which is about 300 kilometers. And I have very few people who do these kind of things. Getting up at 4 in the morning, hitting the road at 4:30, 5 in the morning, reaching Ooty by 9 in the morning, enjoying the beautiful breakfast at the place, and coming back with pan has loaded with vegetables to be quite happy. What does the family want? I mean, they just want to eat fresh food. So in my panniers, you'll find fresh radish, fresh carrots, cauliflower, and all those things in packets. So what I say, it's again, like I don't encourage people to go on long rides in the initial stages. Choose a 50, 100, 200 kilometer ride per day. Start early in the morning because it's always good to hit the road before the sun rises. The few streets of Sundays that come on, I mean, even riding it early morning is also not recommended. Like 5:56, I don't know what time the sun rises here. Half an hour before that is a good time for you to hit the road. And the sun is coming up, take it and stop and enjoy the sunrise. Take it easy. You necessarily don't need to 500,000 kilometers in a day. initially for two beginners, 100, 150, 200 kilometers. Take it slow. Get to know your bike. Take one or two friends with you. You don't have to go to the big gang. It really doesn't serve its purpose because there's one guy who's really riding fast and there's one guy who's really riding slow. And you're wasting time. You're catching while you're waiting for this guy. So two or three very, very like-minded friends where you can enjoy. Stop wherever you want. Ideally, I encourage people to not slow because that really drags down the entire team. But then it's an individual choice. From a health perspective, I encourage people to not slow. But then, yeah. It's a big key, you know. This way, all the best.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to share all your friends and WhatsApp groups, and also don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, ride hard, ride safe.